Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces for last week of November. Okay? So, reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede din pong hindi. Okay? And ang mga energies na lalabas dito ay pwedeng sa'yo o pwedeng sa mga taong dinidil mo, especially this last week of November. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari or mga nangyayari or mga advices, messages ng tarot cards for Pisces for this week. Okay? So, and pasensya na po Pisces kung mayroon po kayo naririnig ng mga background noises po. Okay? So, ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces for this week, for last week of November? Okay, so, may nag-flip. Oh, wow. 3 of Cups, Page of Wands, King of Pentacles, and 4 of Swords. Okay, so, sa nararamdaman ko, Pisces, there is something na pagsasaluhan, pwede ma-invite ka for something for this week, okay? Especially for last week of November. Or something na merong okasyon, it's either birthday, celebration, happiness, salo-salo, pagtitipon, reunion, anything na merong mga taong involved. It's either meron itong connection sa trabaho, pwede sa company, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong King of Pentacles, King of Money, okay? Or pwedeng about sa friends, mga kakilala mo, mga kapitbahay, okay? Kamag-anak, or pwedeng love din mismo. Okay? Pwedeng your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, girlfriend, parang pwedeng all of a sudden mag-a-ask sila ng parang date for you, for the both of you, okay? Or anything na ikakasaya mo and mag-e-enjoy ka, Pisces, okay? Sobrang ganda naman ito. 3 of Cups. And Page of Wands, yes, there's a planning. It's either ikaw yung ma-e-invite, Pisces, or ikaw yung mag-i-invite, okay? Kasi nakikita niyo there's a Page of Wands and nakatingin siya sa mahabang stick na nandito. Okay, so pwedeng sa nararamdaman ko meron na tong connection kay King of Pentacles. It's either you're dealing with someone na may masculine energy and ito yung nagpaplano for something about this salo-salo, about this reunion, about this date, about this happiness na mangyayari for this week. Okay, and or kung hindi naman mangyayari for this week, pwedeng magpaplano kayo sa linggong to for the next month, especially December, okay? So, pwedeng merong plano sa kumpanya nyo, merong meeting, merong plano sa inyong dalawa ng karelasyon mo, sa pamilya nyo, okay, na kumbaga magmi-meeting kayo kung ano yung gagawin for this December month, okay? For the month of December. Lalo na't maraming mga handaan, maraming mga salo-salo na magaganap dyan. Okay? So, take nyo lang po Pisces kung saan mag-resonate, but there is something na salo-salo, happiness, celebration na mangyayari for you. And, 4 of Swords. Kailangan mong magpahinga, Pisces. Kailangan mong alam mo yan, yung parang, kasi sa linggong to, or sa mga susunod na mga linggo, is maraming kasiyahan ang darating, or ma-e-invite ka. So, kung pwede, matulog na maaga, okay? Or wag hayaan na, sa nararamdaman ko, kailangan mong, alam mo yun, alagaan yung sarili mo, take care of yourself, okay? Lalo na't maraming selebrasyon, maraming pwedeng inuman, okay? Pwedeng something na happiness from people around you, lalo na sa mga taong mahal mo. Okay? So, sobrang ganda naman ito. Bottom of the deck is 8 of Wands. Message, Pisces. Message, mensahe, okay? This card represents as message na darating sa iyo, okay? It's either this is through text, through video calls, through email, through call, okay? or pwedeng meron taong pupunta sa'yo and iimbitahan ka mismo personally. Okay? Anything, any kind of message na darating sa'yo. Okay? So, you will expect for this week or for the next month, okay? Basta sa linggong to, there is something na planning or ito yung mismong pagsasaluhan niyo, okay? Sobrang punong-puno naman ng kasiyahan for this week, Pisces, okay? Sobrang ganda naman ito. And, alam mo yun, yung parang mag-e-enjoy kayo, lalo ka na, mag-e-enjoy ka na sobra. Pwedeng you're dealing with someone na King of Pentacles, pwedeng ito ay sa kumpanya, or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, na pwedeng ito yung sa nararamdaman ko ay mag-iimbita sa'yo. Okay? Sobrang ganda naman ito. And, for sure, Pisces, you will feel so happy with these invitations, with this celebration of yours, Pisces. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading for this week, for the last week of November. Naway nagustuhan niyo po, Pisces. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!